Hello, all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture, we are continuing division of polynomials. In the previous lecture, we have studied about how to divide a monomial by a monomial and a polynomial by a monomial. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Here, see the first example. Example first. X square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Now here in the first term index is 2, in the second term index is 1, and in third term index is 0. So here already all the terms in the polynomial are in the descending order of their indices. Therefore we can directly divide here x square plus 4x plus 4 and divided by x plus 2. Now when you are dividing given polynomial by a binomial, we have to take into consideration only first term. So first term in the divisor and first term in the dividend. Now think that which is the proper multiplier of x so that the product is x square, and the answer is yes, it is x. So write x in the numerator. Now x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x. Okay. Now while subtracting, change the signs of each term. X square minus x square is 0 and 4x minus 2x, that is plus 2x. Now to the next step, take down the next term plus 4. Now think again about the first term in the divisor and first term in the dividend. Now think that which is the proper multiplier of x so that the product is 2x, and it is 2. Therefore write 2 in the quotient. 2 into x, that is 2x, and 2 into 2, that is 4. Now while you are subtracting, you have to change sign of each term. 2x minus 2x, that is 0, and 4 minus 4, that is also 0. So finally remainder is 0 and quotient is x plus 2. Okay. Now next question. In the second example, here y raised to 4 plus 24y minus 10y square and divided by y plus 2. Now find indices of each term. Indices of first term, index of first term is 4, index of second term is 1, and index of third term is 2. Now you observe here that so terms are not according to the decreasing order of indices. Therefore they should be like in the order of 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So let us arrange the terms in the given polynomial according to 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 as indices. So y raised to 4 is the first term. Then is there any other term like y raised to 3? No. So we take it as 0 y raised to 3 so as the value of polynomial cannot be changed. Plus minus 10y square is present there, plus 24y, it is also present there, and plus 0. So we have written here given polynomial according to the decreasing order of their indices. Okay. Now let us divide it by y plus 2. Y raised to 4 plus 0y raised to 3 minus 10y square plus 24y and plus 0 and divided by y plus 2. Now think about the first term in the dividend and first term in the divisor. Think that which is the proper multiplier of y so that the product is y raised to 4 and that is y raised to 3. So y raised to 3 in the quotient. Y raised to 3 into y, that is y raised to 4. Y raised to 3 into 2, that is 2y raised to 3. Now while subtracting, change the sign. Y raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 is 0, and 0y cube minus 2y cube, that is minus 2y cube. Now to the next step, take the next term 10y square. Now think about the first term in the dividend and first term in the divisor and find the proper multiplier of y so that the product is negative 2y cube, and the product is, that multiplier is negative 2y square. So write it in the quotient negative 2y square. Negative 2y square into y, that is negative 2y cube. Negative 2y square into 2, that is negative 4y square. Now subtraction and change the sign. Negative 2y cube plus 2y cube, that is 0, and negative 10y square plus 4y square, that is negative 6y square, and plus 24y. Now think again which is the proper multiplier of y so that the product is negative 6y square. So it is negative 6y. So write in the quotient negative 6y. Negative 6y into y, that is negative 6y square. Negative 6y into 2, that is negative 12y. Okay. Now while subtracting, change the signs. So negative 6y square plus 6y square, that is 0, and positive 24y plus 12y, that is positive 36y. Now take another term, that is 0 here. Okay, 36y plus 0. Now find the multiplier of y such that the product is 36y, and that is 36. So write it in the question 36. 36 into y, 36y, and 36 into 2, that is 72. While subtraction, change the signs of each term. 36y minus 36y, that is 0, and 0 minus 72, that is minus 72. So remainder is 72, and quotient is y raised to 3 minus 2y square minus 6y and plus 36. Okay. Now next, third example. Now third example is given here. 6x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 9 plus 5x plus 5x cube divided by x square minus 1. Now consider the index of each term here. In the given polynomial, indices are 4, 2, 0, 1 and 3. Now we observe here that indices are not according to the decreasing order of themselves. So 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So indices should be in the order of 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So write terms in the polynomial according to the decreasing order of the indices. So 6x raised to 4, and now term of x cube, that is plus 5x cube. Now term in x square, that is plus 3x square. Now term in x, that is plus 5x, and now term in the x raised to 0, that is negative 9. So 6x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus 5x and minus 9, that is the proper form of the given polynomial. So 6x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus 5x and minus 9, and it should be divided by x square minus 1. Now while dividing, you have to only consider the first term in dividend and divisor. Okay, so think that which is the proper multiplier of x square so that the product is 6x raised to 4 and the multiplier is 6x square. So in the dividend, in the quotient 6x square. So 6x square into x square, that is 6x raised to 4, and 6x square into negative 1, that is negative 6x square. Here we have to take precaution that you should have to write the product so that the terms below the terms should be like terms. While subtracting, change the signs of each term. So 6x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4, that is 0, plus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 6x square, that is plus 9x square. Now to the next step you have to take next term 5x. Now think about the proper multiplier of x square so that the product is 5x cube and the multiplier is 5x. So write it in the question 5x. 5x into x square, that is 5x cube, and 5x into negative 1, that is negative 5x. So while subtracting, change the signs. 5x cube minus 5x cube, that is 0, plus 9x square plus 10x and minus 9, which is the last term. Now think that which is the proper multiplier of x square so that the product is 9x square, and that is 9. So write 9 in the quotient. 9 into x square, that is 9x square. 9 into negative 1, that is negative 9. So after subtracting, change the signs of each term. So 9x square minus 9x square, 0, and plus 10x, and negative 9 plus positive 9, that is 0. So here remainder is 10x, and quotient is 6x square plus 5x plus 9. Okay, do you understand it? Very good. Now next we have to solve the practice set 10.2. You also have to write the quotient and remainder in each division. Okay,